Hey guys, it's Nat and today I'm going to be sharing with you an updated room tour. So I think the last time I shared my room and what it looked like was like 2 years ago maybe. I'll leave a link to that video down below and probably all the other bedroom tours I have up on my channel. But yeah, this might be the last room tour that you see in this bedroom. But yeah, I'm very happy with how my bedroom's looking at the moment. Like I feel like the only thing that I change at the moment when I get bored is where my desk is and where my dresser is. I just swap them around. Everything else stays the same. Like I just love the aesthetic. It's still kind of like got some K-pop elements to it, but I don't know, I'm just very happy with how it looks. It's like minimalistic, clean. Like I watch my Korean dramas in here, I read on my iPad, I do my workouts on the floor sometimes on my mat. So yeah, this is where I spend majority of the time when I'm not at work. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get on into the room tour. So guys, I thought I would start off in this corner, which is where the entrance is. So yes, we do keep our Dyson handheld vacuum cleaner in my bedroom, but I don't mind, it just charges on there. And then yeah, on the back of my door, I keep all my handbags basically, and my towel for the bathroom. Then in this corner, this is probably what you always see first when you come into my room. I have a little shelf there with an elephant, a little painting that I don't really have a space for, so it's just there. And then this fake plant. And then my favorite part of my room, my mirror, because I've always wanted this mirror. It's from IKEA and it's just best mirror ever. So of course I check my outfits in here. You probably see this mirror a lot if you follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I love it. The only thing is I clean it and then it gets dirty like a second later, so that's the only downside to the mirror. Then moving on to this section, I love this section, it just looks so good. So yeah, next to my mirror I just have this wall shelf, which is from IKEA again. My desk is from IKEA, my chair is from IKEA. I think if I wasn't moving, I would upgrade my chair because it's plastic and like the plastic is wearing down now. But yeah, I just love how this looks. Yes, I do still have a Christmas tree. Then at the top, I just have some K-pop stuff. So some K-pop albums, perfume, all my perfumes, and some light sticks. And then yeah, that's an 80s poster. This is actually on here because it's covering up holes. There's holes in the wall, but I just love how it looks. I always like the autumn vibe. I feel like all these pictures give off that. Some are of K-pop idols, some are of like pictures I didn't take, but some are pictures I did take. Actually, there's only one, that one, but I love this. Then I try and keep my desk quite minimal, so I've got my iMac, my MacBook, this little light from B&Q. Love it because it's one of the touch ones. Then I always have water there or a drink. I have something to make my room smell nice. I have this phone holder. I actually got this for Christmas and it's supposed to be an incense stick holder, but I don't think it's very good because the incense, when it burns, it just falls around. So I just keep things that I always leave the house with. So car keys, house keys, and AirPods. And then I still have my Christmas tree because it's still alive and it looks cute. So why not? I'm not going to show you what's in my desk because it's very boring, but I don't know, I just keep like, you know, stationery in the top drawers. I think makeup and skincare and like beauty stuff in here, and then just extra stuff like my MacBook protector when I take it out and stuff like that. So nothing too exciting, but I do love these drawers. Highly recommend getting a desk with a lot of drawers because it just makes organizing so much easier. Then next to my desk I have a little Billy bookcase. I know I've gone through so many different Billy bookcases, but I keep my collection of my K-pop albums and my books quite small, so yeah, I feel like I don't need a bigger bookshelf. And I love that I have space for posters. So yeah, BTS Young Forever poster, Baekhyun Candy poster, and then two banners that I got from the Hallyu Pop Fest when I went in London. So yeah, Kai and Wonus. And then yeah, on the side we have, don't know if you can see her, but Hwasa from Guilty Pleasure, her like mini album. On the top, I used to have so many things, but since I decluttered, it looks so much better when it's like minimal. So still loving Imnaeon album, so I just keep it on display there. I've kept it on like display since I got it. It's just so stunning. Some crystals, Celestine, rose quartz, and amethyst. my glasses because I'm blind, and then an incense holder because I pretty much burn an incense stick a night. Then I have these dried out flowers, and then my CD player holding SF9's Turnover album. Then on my first shelf we've got K-pop albums, so as you can see some Hwasa, some Astro, Wheein, BTS, GOT7, 80s, EXO, SF9, Taeyeon, Baekhyun, NCT, Mamamoo, more 80s, Pentagon, and yeah, that's it. Then we've got some books, as you can see, like Six of Crows, Norse Mythology, Sky in the Deep, The Caller, Genesis, Caraval, some cookbook, and then yeah, like the Remnant Chronicles in the corner. And then at the bottom, nothing too exciting. That's just a book I need to give back to my friend. Here I keep like vitamins, teas and coffee, and then important documents, CDs from my albums, and yeah, that's it. But yeah, I do like that my bookshelf is kind of opposite my bed. When I'm on my bed, I can just kind of like look at it. This part of my bedroom looks quite nice as well. I've got a big window, dream catcher in the window, and I keep my windowsill very minimal. And then my bed is just plain bed frame. I think it's a wooden white one from eBay, they don't sell it anymore. And then my mattress is from IKEA. On my bed I keep these pillows I've had for years, like those ones, and then I've got RJ and Van and this little marshmallow that I got from my friend recently, and I sleep with him every night. He is so soft. And if you're wondering, I have like these sloths doing yoga. I get my duvet covers from Urban Outfitters. I have like a pink ombre one as well I love, and it's from Urban Outfitters. They just have the cutest stuff. On the side of my bed I keep my yoga mat and some weights, and then above my bed, I do quite love it, I got one of these wall grids for my photos from Amazon, and it just looks super cute. There's photos I've taken. There's one with my mum, my kitties when they were younger, my other cat, like just my dad, my friends, my cousin, my brother. So I do quite like it. And then we've got Kai as well at the top. These plants that are hanging, I think my mum got me the hanging stuff from eBay, but I'm not too sure. And then yeah, next to my bed I have this dresser from IKEA, just houses my clothes and all that. And then at the top I have another, it's literally the same one that I have on my desk, because they're like £14 I think from B&Q, and yeah, it's a touch one, it's a white one, the other one's beige I think. And then yeah, I try and keep not a lot of stuff on here, so I do keep my iPad. I've got this painting that my mum got commissioned for me, so yeah, it's basically, you can't find it online, it was just done for me, but I love it. I love the colors, and I think it adds kind of like a boho theme to my bedroom. Got a BTS little thing from an album, and then that as well, which is really cute. And then yeah, above there I have my Soul poster from when I did my Napperfall collab, so yeah, that was an exciting video. And then yeah, I'm gonna show you the worst part of my room, because Tessa, one of my cats, decided to just use this part as scratching post or something, I don't know. So my mum put this piece of wood and she has started scratching that instead, but I don't know what happened to her. She didn't touch it till like last July. So yeah, this wall looks the worst, but oh well. I've got a weighting scale, I don't really weigh myself that often. And then we've got the last part of my room, which is my wardrobe. There's not too much in my wardrobe, like just stuff that would be hanging, so I won't show you the other part because it's just boring. And then yeah, at the top I just keep two storage boxes, again from IKEA, that house my like summer clothes and just stuff I don't really use at the moment. And yeah, that is it for my room tour. As you can see, it's still quite simple, a little bit Korean inspired, you know, K-pop inspired. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my room. Of course, I will try and leave a link to most of the items I can find down below, so you can check them out yourself if you're curious where I got some of the items from. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!